Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Rinky here. I'm here with the Diwali special decor, that is flower tea lights with two beautiful variations with easy tricks and techniques. Before we start the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates. So let's start. These bases are from P3 MDF Mart and they are very good quality product. Check out the link in the description box. I am taking a texture paste and a stencil. Apply the texture paste with the help of knife. It will give you a beautiful texture effect. Repeat the same process on all the edges. After complete dry, smooth the texture with the sandpaper. Clean it well. I have taken a shades of brown to give a vintage look. Randomly I am taking both the shades. Color the edges too. To give a vintage look, I am taking a bronze color and with the help of stencil brush, highlight the textures. After bronze color, I am taking a golden color too. It will give me a beautiful antique look with the fusion of both the colors. For various online, offline and craft updates, do follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. The links are given in the description box below. To embellish it, I have taken a bronze diamond lace. Stick the pieces with the help of glue gun. Decoration part is totally your choice, how you want to decorate your piece. If you want to make a Panchmukhi diya, you can add a tea light tin in the center too. We will decorate these edges also at the end. Now we will make another tea light. This we will make in a different color. I am dividing into 4 parts and we will take the 2 shades of colors, that is the green and yellow. Color it alternatively. Color the edges also with the same color. Now I have taken a stencil. Place the stencil in the center and do the stenciling part with white color. You will get beautiful two-tone stencil with the help of golden and white. On the edges, I have taken a different stencil. To add more beauty, I have taken a geometrical pattern too. For embellishing, I have taken a pearl diamond lace. Apply it with the help of fabric glue. Cover all the corners in the same way. Color the tea light holder with alternate color. To jazz up more, I am adding a stone to it. Our both the tea lights are almost completed. Now on the edges part, I have taken a Fevicryl outliner of bronze color and do the designing part with the help of it. And stick the stones on the curvy lines. Now on other flower tea light, I have taken a golden outliner and doing the designing in a different way. Add pearls and stones to add beauty. Our both the tea lights are ready. Do shower your comments how you like it and stay tuned with us for more and more crafty tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.